Hi everybody, so today we're going to be working on this problem. How many grams of hydrogen are needed to react with 47 milligrams of nitrogen monoxide? And then we have our reaction there. First things first is you want to make sure that your reaction is balanced. And in this case, that reaction has already been balanced for us. Next thing I like to do is write down all the steps I'm going to need to do to solve this problem, just to kind of keep me organized. So here we're going to have to go from milligrams to grams of nitrogen monoxide, and then to moles, then to moles of hydrogen, and from moles of hydrogen to grams of hydrogen. So that'll be our reference while we're working out this problem. So first things first, I kind of like to do the milligrams to grams kind of on its own, so that way I can get started with the problem. So first things first, I have 47 milligrams of nitrogen monoxide that I'm going to try to convert to grams. And that conversion there, so we have 1 gram of nitrogen monoxide is 1,000 milligrams of nitrogen monoxide. It'll cancel out to the milligrams here, and then we'll be left with grams. And that gives us a total of 0.047 grams of nitrogen monoxide. And so then we can go ahead and go with the rest of our problem. So here we're going to have 0.047 grams of nitrogen monoxide. We're going to go from grams to moles. So our conversion here will be 1 mole of nitrogen monoxide to grams of nitrogen monoxide. You're going to have the grams on the bottom so that this cancels out. And the way you find out the 30.01, you refer to your periodic table. Your periodic table, you're going to look for the atomic mass of nitrogen and the atomic mass of oxygen and add those together to give you the 30.01. So next step is from moles of nitrogen monoxide to moles of hydrogen. We're going to figure that out from our reaction up here. So again, you're going to want to cancel out the moles of nitrogen monoxide. So nitrogen monoxide will go on the bottom, so these will cancel out. You'll be left with moles of hydrogen. And the way we get these numbers are your reaction here. You have moles of hydrogen here, there's 5 of them. And moles of nitrogen monoxide are right here, 2 of them. And 5 and 2, we just plug those in. Next, we have, we're going to go from moles of hydrogen to grams of hydrogen. And for that, again, you're going to refer back to your periodic table. And that's when you're going to get your grams of hydrogen monoxide per mole. So that you're going to go to your hydrogen, look up the atomic mass, which is 1.01, and times 2 for the H2 here. And that's going to be 2.02. And again, you're going to put the moles of hydrogen on the bottom to cancel out with the moles of hydrogen left here. And then you're going to be left with the grams of hydrogen, which is going to total out to 0.00790903. But wait, we're not done. You always want to consider your significant figures. So we're going to go there. And we have 2 significant figures here that we started with. 4 here, 3 here. So we're going to go with 2. Always want to go with the least amount. And here we go. 0.0079 grams of hydrogen.